Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer because we have to find our contact list so we can do it using it. Now let's tap on the contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, it should be in the middle, and tap on the camera icon. And now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will obviously pick choose a photo. And now simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for what will be saved and shown later on. What's more, here you can change the angle of the picture. It's up to you how you want to set it. So if you are happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears, so remember to tap on save, and it is directly set on our contact, and it is also visible on our contact list. What's more, you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.